It's the next day. We got started on this thing early. Doesn't look like it, but we got a lot done. And by we, I mean me. We do have a friend over. He's over there working on the engine. But we got the front fairing mounted, turn signals and mirrors soldered and wired in. Front fenders on. For some reason, we did not get lower panels that were painted. So we have some black ones here, but this one was cracked. So I went ahead and plastic welded on the inside of it. Had some white scuff marks through, just threw a quick coat of spray paint on it. So got to figure that out. Now from looking at the parts fish and everything, there's supposed to be a 1.5 to 2 inch standoff here to space the fairing correctly. That I don't have, so I guess I'm gonna have to make one. We fixed some threads on the passenger pegs, and I'm just pushing on. It's getting close with us not having those lower fairings match. It's not my bike, but it would be so much better if they did match. But they are black. There's a lot of black. So when he got it painted, he had left the fender black, and this little valance inset piece here is black. You got the black windshield and the seats, so it'll carry part of the theme over. But it's not the way I like to do things, but we're in a time crunch. He's leaving Friday, and it is Wednesday. So, it's crunch time. But I think I got all the wiring done. All I had was blue speaker wire, but I sheathed them in, I don't know if you can see here, you can see a little bit of it peeking out, but I sheathed the wire in heat shrink so it doesn't just stand out and look terrible. But we're getting this thing, while I'm getting this thing buttoned up, my friend Mike is working on, we got the head on that motor, and we're going to try and get that reassembled and timed and everything. So as soon as this is done, this comes off and that bike comes on. I am pretty sure that this old girl is 80-90% done. It's looking good. We do not have this piece that goes here. It's not in my Tubbo plastics. I do not have the seats. Tim has got those. But it looks amazing. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's not all the way seated. I'll get that. But we are put together. I had to, I think in the last, or the first part of this video, I got the turn signals working. So we got to replace this lens, which he can do that. So we got all the turn signals working. See there, back there. Soldered those in. So there's a standoff that goes in here. It goes to the frame and out to where the fairing's supposed to be. Which, let's see if I can get some light in there. Raw aluminum standoff somewhere in there. Anyway, didn't have that, so I had to make it. Luckily, I got me one of these, so it made a mess, but it's all taken care of, all put together. Need to figure out how I want to attach these. I don't have any more of these little push rivet deals. Might put some bolts in there. I don't know yet, but that'll tighten all that up. Front tire shot. He knows that. Front forks need seals. He knows that. These, for some reason, these bottom pieces on both sides did not get painted, which I think I said in the first part of this. And this one had a nice good crack in it, so I plastic welded that up. Still got to put the bar in here, and he's got the other piece that goes up inside here and closes all this off. So this still needs to be put together. But I think we're just about ready to call it done on this girl. Yeah, so here's a little bar. It was green, so I just slapped some spray paint on it. And that fits up across here like a so. But this purple paint, oh man, outside it looks immaculate. It's a beautiful job, Chris. You did a great job. This has got some damage on it, but it's there. Anyway, so I think this is probably going to wrap up the 750 revival. Buttload of work. Didn't charge him near enough, but that's fine. It's a good looking bike.